Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Payal this side. Today I'm going to give you a complete overview of Scalar School of Technology, its campus, admission process, degree structure, fee details and everything you need to know before considering the admission. So what is SST? SST is basically also known as Scalar School of Technology. It's a new kind of undergraduate education program that focused on engineering and software programs created by education tech platform Scalar. Unlike many other traditional colleges, SST links with strongly with the very tech industry to help students to become job ready for higher growth and their tech careers. So it's 4-year residential program, meaning the student and to stay on the campus. Students learn coding, algorithm, software systems, and the AIML programs also. There's a unique mentorship model in which student gets one-on-one guidance from experts and the success managers to travel, program, and their growth in the future careers. So where is the campus located? The Scalar School of Technologies campus located in Electronic City, Bangalore, Karnataka, also known as India's Silicon Valley because it's surrounded by the big tech companies and startups. This urban location gives students daily experience to real tech leaders and industries. The campus is fully residential. Facilities include smart classrooms, innovation labs, high Wi-Fi speed, cafeteria and mess facilities, students lab and coding communications. Also, they provide you hackathons and tech events in which you can explore your daily activities and your real-time experience. So guys, now you have a good enough knowledge about the campus, like what is the campus, where it is located. Now let's move on to the criteria for SST and the entrance and selection. So to maintain your admission in SST, you must complete your class 12th or be appearing in 12th exams. Math in class 12th is mandatory with a score of above 60%. Now let's move on to the entrance exam and the selection. So SST conducts their own entrance exam by the name of NCET, also known as Scalar's National School and Entrance Test, which majorly focuses on mathematics, logics, and reasoning skills. So once you qualify your NCET exam, then you have to go through a PI, which is conducted by the industry professionals. After your PI selection, you will get an offer letter within 7 or 10 days. So one thing I want to tell you, which is very important, like you can retake the NCET exam up to 3 times and interview up to 2 times in an academic year if you don't succeed initially. So now let's move on to the most important topic, that is the fee structure. The total fees for the 4-year program is approximately between 22 to 25 lakhs including tuition and hostels. Depending upon the room type and additional facilities, scholarships are always there, so make sure you go through their official website. So now let's move on to the degree structure, like what kind of degree does SST provide. This is one of the most important aspects to understand properly. SST itself provides a completion certification after 4 years. However, SST is not a traditional university that directly grants a government degree such as a BTech program. So to obtain an official bachelor's degree, students typically enroll in parallel degree programs from recognized institutions such as IIT Madras, which provides you BS in data science, and from BITS Pilani, which provides you BSc in CS. So essentially, students pursue industry-focused programs at SST and a recognized university degree alongside it. So now let's move on to the pros and cons from the Scalar School of Technology. So let's talk about the pros first. SST provides you industrial-focused curriculum in which they gives you coding, AI, software development. They also gives you strong mentorship from industrial professionals, early internships and project experiences. Now let's move on to the cons. So they do not give you a traditional university granted its own government recognized BTech degree. So that's everything you need to know about SST. So now the question arises, why to choose SST? There are so many recognized universities which provides a fully timed bachelor's degree. So students must clearly understand the degree structure and the fee details before making a decision. And if you are someone who wants a career specifically in software and tech, SST can be a best alternate to any traditional colleges. So guys, that was my honest review regarding SST. If you find any query regarding the the same, like how to crack the NSET and what is the structure. And if you want something, need help in PI, so you can contact us on the given number below, or you can also visit our office, like we are located in Delhi NCR. Until then, if you like this video, so make sure you hit the like button, subscribe our channel, comment us. So which topic should I cover next? I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for today.